Hello.
Yes. We have 3 questions for you today.
Okay.
First question is, what do you like the most about the place that you represent?
Siguro, I like the most about my place is kapag may Oktoberfest, then nakikipag-party sila lahat, nakikipag-coordinate, then walang nangyayaring gulo ever since. Siguro may mga gulo, maliliit na gulo lang, pero hindi yung mga nagkakamatay, hindi. Nagmamahalan lahat sila sa Angeles City.
Okay. Tell us about your funniest dating experience.
Siguro funniest dating experience ko is kapag kasama ko yung mga friends ko, which is Joven, AJ, mga candidates din ng Mr. United Continent. Kapag kumakain kami sa labas, kahit saan, kahit anong lugar, wala silang pinipili. As in, umuutot sila everywhere.
Okay. If you would be king for a day, what's the first thing that you're gonna do?
If I would be a king, siguro pupunta ako sa first kung gagawin, pupunta ako sa church, simbahan, kay Papa God. Magpapasalamat ako sa kanya kung ano man yung blessings na binigay niya sa akin. Then, guys, I'm inviting you all to watch Mr. United Continent Philippines Grand Finals Tanghaling Pasigueña this coming April 14. Then, I'm Danilo Magtoto Jr., Mr. United Continent, Angeles City. TPQ loves you. Thank you.